Respondent authority lordship, on the basis of the CM helpline report, have removed the encroachment on which I was living lordship.
You were, आप क्या कर रहे थे उसमें?
I am be settled by the local corporator on that land having a house lot, constructed house,
हाँ,
without any opportunity and without any settlement.
डैमेजेस का सूट लगाइए ना जाकर.
But lordship,
अरे पार्षद महोदय ने किस अथॉरिटी से आपको सेटल कर
नहीं.
दिया था?
being the citizen of India, lordship, I have been settled, but the authority, state authority, to have be resettled me, lordship, before any removal of the encroachment.
सारे
They ha-
एनक्रोचर्स को रीसेटल करते रहेंगे.
नहीं.
टैक्सपेयर्स का पैसा इसीलिए है.
I have paid the municipal tax on
अरे
that land
अच्छा,
of that house,
बहुत
lordship.
अच्छा किया आपने. आप तो मुझे अपना टाइटल बता दीजिए.
I am not a title holder. I am the only encroachment, but
कुछ नहीं.
the authority, lordship, I have paid in my relief also.
हाँ, पढ़िएगा, रिलीफ
हाँ.
पढ़िएगा. देख लिया मैंने.
They
relief.
may have to rehabilitate the meat, lordship, to
Under
some
which
other
provision
place
of
before any removal of the encroachment.
Under
At
which-
in the
Which provision of law every encroacher is required to be rehabilitated?
But they have be given me the time, lordship, that within such period
तो
you
हो
will be
गया.
removed.
आपके पास
No,
रेमेडी क्या है अब? वो तो हो गया.
वो-
अगर आपकी ये याचिका
मैं
आपके हटाने से
पहले-
पहले आती, एक पूरी बात सुन लीजिए
जी।
प्लीज. अगर आपको हटाने से पहले आती
जी सर।
तो ये बात आती कि साहब मुझे नोटिस नहीं दे रहे, मुझे हटा रहे हैं, तो हम उनको रोकते. आज तो आपको हटाया जा चुका है.
Yes, sir.
अब क्या है, आपको डैमेजेस मिल सकते हैं. डैमेजेस के लिए
No,
आपको
I am not here for the damages. That direction be issued to the state that they may rehabilitate from some other place.
Under which provision of law?
That under the
I am
constitution.
very pained. Personally, I am pained to see that our money, हमारा को तो 1 तारीख को तनख्वाह देने से पहले वो 35% टैक्स काट लेते हैं. Our money is being floundered like this. And you show me the provision under which you are entitled for rehabilitation. I'll definitely grant that relief.
Being the citizen of India, and on that place I have paid the municipal tax, and they have obtained that.
Local councillor had settled them at a place where they were living after constructing their house. They, treating that settlement to be an encroachment. Though petitioner was paying municipal taxes, he has been removed. Now petitioner is claiming a direction in the nature of, by way of issuance of writ of mandamus to rehabilitate the petitioner in an adequate accommodation with all necessary and essential amenities. फ्रिज टीवी सब लगा कर दें.
नहीं नहीं सर, बिजली और पानी बस.